Hi guys, we are back again with another unboxing. This time we are boxing the Spring 2020 box of style.
Yes,
So
yes.
pretty.
And we still have on the same clothes because we just did the smoothie review. So,
Yes. Because we got
so
boxes in here that we realized we are way behind on and
yeah,
we
we was
need to
like, let's
get
just
done.
knock them out. So I still got my smoothie in hand and check out that check out that video too.
The DH one.
Yeah,
We'll,
yeah,
we'll link it below.
yeah.
We'll link it
But
below.
today, right now, we have the
Box of style.
box of style. We've done the box of style before.
Yes, we did the winter box.
Okay.
The
And
winter
this is
2019. This is spring 2020.
Okay.
So let's crack this bad boy open. Oh, all this loveliness inside.
Okay.
So let's go for the eyewear. Now this time you got to pick between the color of eyewear. You can choose between the green or the black.
Yes.
I have a lot of black eyewear, so I decided to go with the green.
Nice. And this is actually priced at $85. This is the brand Diff. If you're familiar.
Wow, so a lot of protective plastic. They're this protected.
Those are really cute. I mean, I can just tell through the. Those are really cute. I don't know if they're green.
No, they're not green. I was told I was picking between green, but they aren't. But they're brown.
Yeah.
They aren't black.
I was like green. Yeah, let's see them on. Oh, cool.
I think it shapes my face nicely.
It does. I love those. And it has a little gold. We'll show you guys up close.
Yes, has a little gold trim right here. Says the company name on it. Diff.
Yeah. I'm gonna try one.
Never leave home without my sunnies, even on a rainy day. These turquoise and black versions are striking, timeless, and a great look for everyone. Whether you choose to always on trend tortoise black or bold black frames, this oversized silhouette will ramp up your everyday look. Like she said, priced at $85. Now, mind you, the box itself was pretty much $100. So
yeah,
that right there is
this
already
alone nearly covers the box.
put those in there.
Yeah, you're right.
You gotta keep them looking nice.
Yeah, these are really nice.
But I'll be honest, I've worn glasses that was scratched because they were cute.
Oh yeah,
You don't let.
I've worn glasses I couldn't even see out of.
I have a pair of Versace's that has the emblem on the side, and when I'm driving, I can't see what's in my my
you
peripheral
got to wear
vision.
those while you're driving. I don't think all labs are worth you being cute. Us innocent.
But I look good though. I look good
though. These are cute though.
Okay. We have waterfall, moisture shine lotion.
Okay, so this is priced at $29.
She has a better nose than me.
Oh, it has a little. Let me see.
Oh, it's a little tabby thing on there. See, I couldn't even see it. She can smell it.
Yeah, I do. I could smell the same. Ew, it feels good. It smells really good. Oh my gosh, gave me a little shimmer.
Oh, wait, this is for your hair.
Oh, maybe that's why it's so shiny.
Yeah, it says apply to wet hair and leave your locks shiny and soft and free from flyaways.
It smells so good.
It does smell good.
If anybody is familiar with the scent Flower Bomb, it almost smells like that, which is one of my favorite scents.
It can be applied to dry hair for moisturized ends, which I will probably be doing to my ends because these things get dry very quickly. This is vegan and cruelty free.
It smells
It
really
does smell good.
So it says it makes your hair lustrous and manageable. Okay.
I'm all down for anything that make my hair manageable.
Yeah.
Which is right now flat iron.
What's that? A little bracelet. All right, now, so next, guys, we have the Bayou with Love chain bracelet. This is priced at $195, guys. This alone is Twice your box.
Yeah.
Price.
So there you have the nice hook clasp.
What's the weight on that like?
It's actually a pretty solid weight.
Okay.
I'm gonna have her do it. She's better at describing it.
Mm-hmm. It's heavy. It's not too heavy, but it's weighted. It don't feel like a.
If it went off your wrist, you would notice.
Yeah. You want me to put it on you?
Sure. Can you do it with those nails?
Oh yeah.
I couldn't do nothing with those nails.
Well, one of them is broken, so I'm doing it with that one. To be quite honest with you.
It says wear alone as a subtle statement for everyday glamour, or pair with stackable pieces for a fashion forward look. These are hand assembled bracelets made with recycled brass and plated with refined 14 karat gold. So
that's pretty.
That's how it looks on my wrist.
It's like a yellow gold.
Yeah.
To me.
This is a yellow gold. But, oh, that's so pretty. I like that one. Okay, we have the Enzo Lazilo, New York. Hydrate in. I'm glad you know.
Well, I'm sorry. Erno Laszlo. Erno Laszlo.
We gonna go with that.
Erno Laszlo, New York. This is priced at $68, which is it's a skin supplement.
Okay, reveal your softest and most hydrated skin with this cult favorite. This toner gently calms, hydrates, refreshes, and eliminates dullness and even skin tone. So this is a toner.
So it is okay. Okay, it's a toner.
Yes. So get your cotton swabs ready.
Yeah.
Rub it all around your face.
Yeah.
And toner does make a difference. It does brighten up the skin, unclogs all your pores.
No,
I love a good toner.
Even out the tone of your skin.
Yes, and like I said, priced at $68.
So far we got.
So know that I would never spend $68 on toner if it wasn't for a box.
No, you can use what's that stuff called? Witch hazel.
Witch hazel has been used by our family for years.
Yeah.
And it still hasn't cracked, so we're good.
Yeah.
But that toner, let me smell it.
But I'm sure, actually a good toner, it does something for you.
Yeah.
It does.
Our sister said her husband noticed, she went one day and put toner on. Toner that she lost, by the way. It fell behind her dresser, and one of her son's toy cars went underneath the dresser. So when she went to go see it, she saw the toner underneath it.
I'm sure y'all know about that.
Yes. She used it one day, and her husband saw her. He was like, "What you do different to your face? It look good." So
yeah, toner can make a difference, y'all.
Yes. That's very light, very subtle.
Yeah, it should be. You don't want to put that too smelly on your face. But it doesn't smell alcohol-y either.
That is an issue I've had with other toners, that it smells like alcohol.
It just has a fresh, very light smell.
Yes. And so the piece de resistance, what I've been waiting for.
Yes. I love that tote, guys. This is, it is. So this is the transitional totes, which is a camel bag. You can pretty much pair you can wear that.
Pair with a button-up shirt, midriff skirt for the office, or team it with your favorite sundress and sandals for a weekend brunch.
Ooh, sundress and sandals. Because I was going to say, any season, jeans and a booty. I mean,
but this side is summery. This one is leather feeling.
And this is, it's called the Sheer Leah Arden Tote. This is priced at $74.
And inside, let's see. Okay, so it does have a snap inside.
Okay.
So it does snap.
And a little
in the middle.
Leather strap type.
Yes, leather strap. There's no other strap on the inside, so it's meant to be a shoulder bag.
This is leather too. So this darker color, see the material? This darker color is leather, and then this lighter color is suede.
Yeah.
So you can get the material and then turn it around. It's the opposite. It's the more of the suede and less of the.
So depending on what you're wearing, you swap it out. And
true.
One side's on the outside, the other one is not. Well, that actually goes with your shirt.
Yeah, it does.
And on the inside there is a pocket, which you can see kind of embroidered right there when you look at it. So this wasn't like the last bag they gave us last time where it had like no pockets and no snaps. This one actually does have a pocket on the inside for you, so you can like put, you know, a pair of earrings or your wallet or your keys and keep sort of everything separated in your bag and just somewhat organized. If you're like me, your purse is a black hole. Everything gets lost, so you need that pocket to kind of just keep the important stuff where it needs to be.
Yeah.
So I love that bag.
I like it too.
So I'm gonna do some rounding here. So let's say the bag is 80.
Mm-hmm.
The sunglasses are another 80, so we're at 160.
Mm-hmm.
200, so 360.
Mm-hmm.
And then another 70, which is 240. I mean 230.
No, we were already at 2 something. Rewind. We were already at 3 something.
So 430. 430. Sorry.
Yeah, I was like, wait, we were. The one of them was like 200. I was remembering the last 2 numbers, but not the first one.
And then the other one is 30. So altogether, your box has $460 worth of products in it.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
For $100. And so this one is more skincare. It has 2 pieces of fashion.
Yeah.
And
3
pieces of fashion. Sorry.
Glasses.
You got the sunglasses.
That's cute
your bag. That's the one thing about their boxes that they try to make sure you have an outfit.
Yes. So you've got your even skin tone. You got your nice, flowy, shiny hair with your bag, with your bracelet, with your sunglasses. It's a whole look. She's done her face. She's done her hair. It's a whole look. Okay. Okay.
So yeah, you got a whole look going on.
$100?
Yeah. So, what is your favorite thing in the box?
My favorite thing is going to have to be the. I'm gonna say the sunglasses for now because I haven't been able to use. I love a good toner though. Yeah. I'm gonna say the. Had I tried the toner and it worked well, then I would maybe say that. But I love the sunglasses. These are my absolute favorite.
They look good. She does have the right face for oversized glasses. Like they pair well.
Trying to say I got an oversized face?
No. Actually,
she said I had an oversized face.
No, actually, y'all know it's the shape of the face because she has a very oval shaped face.
Yeah.
And because it's an oval, oversized glasses look very, very nice on her face.
Oh.
And the friends were, especially with her Megan Thee Stallion ponytail that she got going on. Yes. Oh my goodness. So it actually looks great, and as you can see, she can walk out the house right now and look like $1 million just off of that alone. Okay, least favorite.
My least favorite. I'm gonna keep these on because I think I look cool.
I would too, so keep them on.
Okay, my least favorite is going to be. Okay, I don't have a least favorite. But,
okay, that's fair.
But I don't know if the bracelet is worth $200. I love it, but I probably wouldn't spend more than $100 on it. Personally.
That's fair. That is extremely fair.
But I love it. I like it. It's cute, but I wouldn't spend $200. But a lot of y'all would. I just don't got it. I ain't got the 200. I ain't got the 2.
Oh my gosh.
If you got it, then that's different. But for, I like style for the love. That's just me. But anyway, so what's your favorite, girl?
Me, I'm going to go with the purse. Yeah. I actually really like this purse.
Wasn't it the last time her favorite was the tote?
This is true.
She just a tote girl.
I love purses. To the point where she actually found one that I forgot all about. It was actually a really cute purse.
Yeah. Wore it to work, got so many compliments. Say this whole thing?
Yes. So and the fact that this one, unlike the other one, actually has a snap. It actually has pockets on the inside. This is a nice brown that can pretty go. You can put it on with a white shirt and blue jeans, or I can pair it with something burgundy and then the right booty. I can choose this color booty, and walk out the house. That's true. It'll look really cute.
Yeah, but
so for me, this purse is amazing, and I will be wearing it.
Least favorite.
I'm only saying this because I haven't had a chance to try it. I actually, with me, I had to try my hair care products first,
Sure.
and so I would be very, very careful with this hair care product on my type of hair. I will probably just take a piece out of the back since it is dry, and I'll probably just put a little bit back here and see how my hair reacts to it.
Yeah. You have
because
very naturally curly hair. It's
yeah,
so curly, guys. Like she has, and it's so long. She has shrinkage. I don't know if y'all know what that means.
so of course the curlier your hair is, the shorter it looks.
Yeah.
My hair, once I actually straighten it, it comes down to about right here.
Yeah.
But right now, because as you saw in the last unboxing videos, I had braids. I finally took those out, and I just wanted to give my hair a break. So I just washed it, conditioned it, used the mask that you guys saw on the other unboxing video, and then deep condition it, put it in a ponytail, and just let it air dry. In fact, the middle, deep in the middle, is still a little wet.
Wow.
Yeah, it's gonna take probably about a week for it to be completely dry. But even though it's still wet in the middle, this is dry. I'm going to have to put moisturizer in this to keep it from breaking off and falling out.
So is this something you wash out? No,
They
it's
say you
called
put it dry.
shine lotion.
Yes, you can actually put it in
Lotion
your
you
hair
would
dry.
keep in.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
say you put in wet or dry. You can use it for dry for a moisturizer or wet as a conditioner. So I would just want to try it on my hair first before I say I love this product.
Yeah. For
So
sure.
that'll be the one. It's not that I don't like it, it's just I haven't had a
Apply
chance to
to
use
wet hair, dry, or let blow dry, or let it naturally use on dry hair to tame flyaways. I don't know.
I don't want.
I feel like this will work well on your hair.
Well, we'll see. We'll
Yeah,
see
we
because
will.
I don't know what type of flyaways they mean. They could mean if you have like a beachy curl,
Yeah.
those type of flyaways.
But taming is taming, right? True. Yeah.
Like gross.
That's true.
I had some stuff that said it would tame stuff and it didn't.
do a thing.
It didn't do it.
Didn't
Didn't do it.
do a thing, but PB off.
Yeah. or my hair just gets frizzier and it gets worse, or it turns into even a knot, and I have to sit here and like comb it out because it was not made for my hair texture, and that's okay. Everything is not made for everybody's hair texture. There's stuff that I use on my hair that is for curly hair. If you use it on straight hair, it will be too heavy and it will weigh your hair down. So everybody has their type of hair. There's nothing bad about it. It's just different.
That's true.
And that's fine. And hey, it may not even be your hair. But you still gotta make it look good. Because I've seen girls who it ain't their hair and it looks bad.
Yeah.
So whatever hair you
this will look
have,
bad in a week or so too.
whatever hair you have, just make sure you take care of it. So like we
Yeah.
said, we have $460 worth of products for $100. Like we said, some things we're gonna wear. This I can already see. I'm gonna get a call from my other sister because she loves gold.
She loves gold.
So I got a feeling I'm gonna get a phone call when this comes out that she wants this bracelet, and I'm gonna have to give up a $200 bracelet. Like I gave away that watch from the last box to her.
Oh, that was a nice watch.
Yeah,
The rose gold.
Yeah, it's hers now.
We need to talk. We're gonna have to talk, Nicole. She getting in the way of my things. She ain't even here. She ain't do no work. And she getting all right.
So like we said, this box is worth it. We have our favorites.
It's worth it.
Let us know in the comments below what your favorite product is.
Yeah.
I gotta start doing a contest. Maybe I'll do a contest if we get enough comments, and give somebody a box.
Oh,
I got a lot of
a
stuff.
box, not an item. Well, I'm gonna get first picks if she do. It might have 4 to 5 things in it. That's better than nothing.
That is true.
We gonna see what we can do.
So like we said, once again, this box is a winner. We have our favorites. We have our choices. Let us know what yours are.
Yes.
In life, you have black and white. But with us, you always get a shade of gray with a whole lot of laughter.
Yes.
Bye,
We
guys.
love y'all. Bye.